Well, good evening and early morning. It's almost midnight. I'm Lottie Ann. Welcome to my crochet channel, Lottie Ann Crochets, but I go by Jesus Crochet. And the name Jesus comes from my husband who calls me Jesus. So I named my crochet Jesus Crochet. I'm a vendor all over this area that I live, and I recently lost a client I used as up for my craft days, but now I have one left, which I go to the Old Village in Huntington Beach, and they only have so many craft shows there. So my last one there for the dog race craft show is November the 2nd, and that is this Sunday. Anyway, I have been very, very busy with my orders. I got some turtle orders from my lab craft show. I got it all done for this girls league. I had to make 10 keychain turtles, which they look like this. All right, and every little girl had a teal cover, but I made the body different colors, like white, purple, pink, whatever, yellow, orange, and there was a big smile when they came and got it because they live local and it was a special order. So I'm so glad that I got it done for them. They were happy girls, got these keychains. Then I just finished my auntie's order, and they're in this bag. I'm going to show you. I have made this Lilo for her. And let me dim this light so you guys can see it better. That's Lilo. I made her a special octopus, and all her grandkids are, I think some are 3 and under, and then the others are a little bit older, I think. Then I made a giraffe. I think this is for her grandbaby, the one that's the baby. And then I think the older grandkid's gonna have a Stitch that I personally made. So Stitch is made out of acrylic yarn. And the giraffe is made out of Chanel yarn from the dollar store. And this is Burnett blanket the octopus is made from. And Lilo is made out of acrylic yarn. So actually this came out so beautiful. Now today I have been making some swinging birds and swinging seals, and I've got, this is made out of acrylic yarn. It is a mallard, so there's 2 of those. I have 2 penguins, one have blue eyes, one have clear eyes, and then 2 seals. I thought the seals were so cute. All right, so I made these today along with, I think today was swing day. And here's the other 2. This is made out of the premier yarn from the dollars, from the dollar store. And they're much bigger. As you can see the difference with acrylic and premier yarn. A lot of people are using the thick Chanel yarn, and majority of the crocheters are actually using the thicker yarn. I don't know why, but I wasn't raised using that type of yarn. So I think I'm still in the beginner's process because I have to get used to using thicker yarn. This I made, when did I make this? I think I made this 2 days ago, so I made these 2. This one's made out of Burnett blanket, and this one's made out of acrylic yarn. And I actually worked this one up so quick because I'm so used to crocheting with acrylic yarn. Either way, they're so cute. As you can see, I did put different eyes. This one has this like a dragon eye. Oh, I love this one. I think it's so squishy. And then I got a free pattern from Instagram and a jellyfish. I thought this jellyfish is such a cute pattern. It's free. It's squishy. You can love it. I think I need to make more of these because I think they're gonna really love this. Love this. I think this is gonna really be a good seller for me. So I need to make more before Sunday because my next craft show is November the 2nd, which is not far. Today's Friday, so I got 2 more days. I can make like 6 of them. Maybe I'll just add that because I have so much products already. Uh, but jellyfish, I don't have that many jellyfish. I don't think I have a jellyfish. I have a lot of octopus, but not jellyfish. Well, hi there. If you're here, you're new to my channel, go ahead and watch my videos before you subscribe, okay? I know a lot of you guys watch other people's videos that also crochet. I look at like 3 of them. I think I have 3 of them in mind that I always go to their channel. I always watch their videos because they always introduce me to new patterns, new Etsy patterns. And what I do is whatever they show me, I save it into my Etsy, uh, and into my Etsy, uh, and see if whenever I'm ready to purchase it, I will purchase it. But at least it's saved in in the back of my checkout. So other than that, I've been busy with my orders. I have to do a poncho that have to be finished. It's not done. And then my auntie needs more stuff from Hawaii. I made her some ladybugs, but she's requesting more Pokeballs. She's requesting more finger puppets. What else did she say she needed? She wants some little Stitch dolls. So I gotta make those. I think I'm gonna make them smaller. I'll maybe make up my own, or look at the ideas of other Etsy sellers that are selling patterns on Stitch. Modify it, make it little. Maybe I should try to ask. I don't know if I should trust the AI, but go on GPT and see if they can create me a pattern. I actually did that one time with a bunny pattern, and it came out really well. But sometimes I don't trust the AI, but I should just go ahead and try it. Maybe they can help me where I can invent and be more creative in my crocheting and just get some of their ideas and then try to create my own. I try to be like my mother because my mother was a crocheter and she never read patterns like me. I had to learn on my own to read patterns. She never reads patterns. She just think it in her mind what she's going to make and then she just makes it. It was like, some people can do that. Some people have way, way talented than me. So my talent is extended unless I think. But I will talk to you all guys later. I have to go because I have to get some sleep. But thank you for watching my channel. And if you want to learn how to crochet, it's 99 cents a month on my YouTube channel. Or you could go to and link to my Teaching Lee website where you can just purchase the whole series and pay a one-time fee and keep watching those videos, okay? A lot of people have come up to me wanting me to teach them in front of them, but I offer it online, okay? Because there's so many people come up to me, and the only thing I can do is just refer them to go online. If you really want to learn how to crochet, they're gonna have to go to my websites and go get my courses or come to this channel and pay 99 cents a month. All right. So I will talk to you all later. Lottie Ann out. This is Crochet out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.